Today's already day 2 of completely dry conditions in West Michigan. You can get used to Doppler radar looking like this. We're not expecting a lot of moisture really until the middle of next week. And with that, that means tulip time, riverbank run, Mother's Day forecast here rolling into the weekend. Looking beautiful, really a lot like this. No clouds in the sky, Ravenna. Grass definitely getting some much needed rain for the first 6 days of May. Now entering a little bit of a dry stretch. Currently under a northeast wind, and look what it's doing to the east side of the state. Lake Huron keeping parts of the thumb in the 40s, even upper 30s north of Port Huron. Skoda at 45. 60s are in those inland communities, and then closer to Lake Michigan, Holland and Muskegon are actually both in the 60s right now. But we do see some cool air tonight. We've been talking about the frost advisory and even a freeze warning for our northern communities, as temperatures will be falling back in the low to mid 30s. A little warmer along the lakeshore. If you're within a mile or two from Lake Michigan, there's not going to be much of a concern given the moderation that occurs with the warmer waters, what will be warmer waters on Lake Michigan. All right, here's the first 6 days of May with rain, 1.42 in Grand Rapids. It's about a ½ inch surplus. For the next 6 days, yesterday through May 12th, that's Monday, we're forecasted to see 0 rainfall here in West Michigan. So we're going to go from a ½ inch surplus to potentially a ½ inch deficit. And these swings are not ideal for vegetation, especially when we're going to be dealing with as much dry air as we are through the weekend. It's not going to be very humid. And Future Track shows just that. There are no clouds in the sky here as we roll through the day on Friday. Northeast wind will eventually start to shift more westerly, or rather southerly and westerly into Saturday. But notice Saturday morning, there will be a weak front passing through. That's going to bring just passing clouds, not even enough to fire off rain in Michigan. Notice maybe a few showers over in Wisconsin. But that means for the riverbank run, winds are still anticipated to be fairly light at just around 5 miles per hour. And it will be a chillier start in the mid 40s, warming up to the 50s by around 9 and should be into the 60s just after 10 o'clock for any runners out there. All right, Saturday is just an isolated 10% chance. Otherwise, precip chances don't start to move in until Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Looks like Tuesday might be our best chance for more widespread pop-up storms. And then Wednesday and Thursday, it'll start to linger. It's all from this low, which is going to pull in moisture from the Gulf. As there's so much heat out in the plain states, this is going to kind of be that cutoff. We're going to be on the cusp of seeing not only the warm and humid air, but the moisture as well, which is why we're going to go with those storm chances Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's kind of a mix of some late spring, early summer instability. Not necessarily looking at severe weather within that, but definitely the opportunity for a few downpours like we saw in Ionia County yesterday, which turned into a decent thunderstorm. But good news, that weekend for Mother's Day is beautiful.